Yeah, man. Art of good rising, same way, Up full. Uh, Rise up in the morning, give thanks and praise. You know, come outside and heal nature. Mm. So massive. I got say here, so it's some lemongrass, And this lemongrass here get revived from a little stalk of lemongrass, and I end up taking it out from earth, putting it forward again, salvaging what could get salvaged. But this mighty old lemongrass just doing its thing, man. Nice one, yeah, so seeing you can have a potato, I see. And the potato just let go enough iron, And from one potato you get 24 potato, 40 potato from one potato, Yeah, because you go in the store and you eat these things. It's just like from one aloe, you get many aloes, Little ones coming on the side, They always growing and bearing and doing things. Look at these little ones on the side right there. Growing out. You see, man? So once you got aloe, once you got one aloe multiplied 5 aloe, 6 aloe. So you got 5, 6 aloe from one aloe tree. 7 aloe. All these aloe is family. Yeah, man, I had them, the mother them for years. No, but it's just be a testimony of like just the simple things you do, Because you could plant little things like little lemongrass. Little lemongrass end up coming to be more than one lemongrass. Little lemongrass end up turning into a whole bushel of lemongrass. But yeah, I was gotta think about the simplicity of life, How easy, and not easy is not the word, but simple. Simple, how nature is operate is from simplicity, within the seasons, man. So it's nothing complex. You see, but when we become complacent, we don't think about how simple things is, how simple nature is, how simple it is to eat fruits and drink tea, Yeah. Bob say if I'm want drink tea, go drink tea,